Hi, I'm Naveen Sani, the current president of CHS Robotics. This year, we had 3 goals: benefit our community, do well, and most of all, have fun.
The team in general is a beautiful work of art as far as cooperation goes. On one hand, you've got the build team who designs and builds the robot from scratch, puts all the parts together, and from there the programming team will take over and will tell the robot exactly what to do, how to drive around, and tell the motors how to run.
We came up with several designs, and then basically we discussed each design, like the pros and the cons, and we voted on an original design, and then from there we refined that original design, and of course once we got to building that, the design dramatically changed as we saw what actually worked.
To begin, our robot has changed tremendously. Our conveyor belt, for example, has gone through dozens of modifications. Also, our arm has gone through many changes too. For example, our cup has changed from PVC to Lexan, and we have molded it around to fit the batons perfectly.
We supplemented our designing with Pro.
I think the notebook is really good for showing the development of our robot. It actually teaches us a lot of stuff just by looking back at it, and we can learn from our mistakes as well as see all the progress we've made, and the progress we've made kind of motivates us just to keep working.
For Spirit, we give these beads to everyone on the team, and then everyone we're alliance with, we give them beads too.
For our strategies of competitions, we try to block other people's goals, so we're mostly a defensive robot, and we try to park in front of their bridges so they couldn't score at the end of the autonomous period.
As a member of the programming team, what we do is we basically go through and we tell the robot how to work, how to interact with the human counterparts. I just think it's really cool to watch the robot, everything come together, and then see your work in action with the robot doing exactly what you want it to do.
Our autonomous was designed to score from both sides of the field, usually going in and moving toward the center of the field and scoring into the rolling goals, then going over to the other side and get 10 points in addition to what we score in the rolling goals.
Beyond that, for Spirit, we hang posters all around the area.
For our community service, we went to Raise Games and we sold hot dogs at a stand. We did that for 3 different games. We have gone to Lila Davis Elementary School. We involved them with FIRST. We also showed them the robot and how it works, and we let them drive it around for a little bit.
We even have a chant.
Nanofusion!
Nanofusion!
Thank you to Raytheon and Manan for sponsoring the Robotics Club. Thank you to our mentors, John, Sergio, and